rule, thumb is indicating direction of current. Thumb is indicating direction of current, and this curl of fingers indicates magnetic field. Curl of fingers indicates magnetic field. So whenever thumb is showing direction of current, we are saying the curl of fingers. The curl of fingers shows magnetic field path. Magnetic field. So now this is the phenomena when we take a straight conductor. So if you are taking a circular conductor, so circular conductor, so conductor is in the form of now loop here, circular loop, and here the current is flowing in clockwise we can take, or we can also take current is flowing in anti-clockwise. There will be the definitely two situations whenever you take a circular current carrying conductor means one is clockwise situation, otherwise is anti-clockwise situation. So the first one is about the current is flowing in clockwise direction. Current is flowing in clockwise direction. So current in clockwise direction, current in clockwise direction, if you observe, clockwise direction. By placing the right hand thumb rule, if you place the right curl of fingers in the direction of current. Now whenever you are taking circular conductor carrying current conductor, here curl of fingers indicates magnetic, that is a current means curl of fingers indicates current means the thumb indicates magnetic field. Suppose you are getting confused how to handle the situation. It is a very simple. So current you are showing in the direction of clockwise, current is in clockwise direction, then always magnetic field at the center, magnetic field at the center will be into the page, magnetic field at the center will be into the page. In straight conductor means straight conductor we have different situations, like there are four situations. Here we don't have that many, only two situations. Suppose the first one is current flowing in clockwise. Current flowing in clockwise, magnetic field is into the page at the center. Magnetic field is into the page at the center. So at the center, what is the direction of magnetic field? Because of current flowing in clockwise direction means simply we can say here B is into the page. B is into the page. Very simple and straightforward. The direction of magnetic field is into the page at the center. At the center, magnetic field is into the page. That is current clockwise, magnetic field into the page. Current clockwise, magnetic field into the page. Now if you observe here the next one, here current is flowing in which direction means happily you can understand it is flowing like that means happily you easily assume that it is anti-clockwise. You can feel it as anti-clockwise, going like this, anti-clockwise, opposite to clockwise, opposite to clock, anti-clock. So current is in which direction? Current we can give now direction is anti-clockwise. Current direction what beta? Anti-clockwise. Current is flowing in anti-clockwise direction means simply the magnetic field is outside. Magnetic field is out of the page, out of the page. This is a direct information, that is whenever the magnetic field is outside, then in a circular current carrying conductor, current is flowing in anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise at the center, magnetic field will be outside. This is magnetic field is outside at the center. So anti-clockwise current, what is information beta? Anti-clockwise current in a circular current carrying coil, magnetic field is outside the page at the center. Where we are discussing, this discussion is at center we are discussing. Now again if you observe here, the current is flowing in which direction? Current is flowing in clockwise. Current is in clockwise. At the center, magnetic field is into the page. At the center, magnetic field is into the page. Magnetic field we can write it as into the page. In the second situation, what we wrote? The magnetic field is outside the page when current is flowing in anti-clockwise direction. This is a simple ways to remember the direction for circular current carrying conductor. Only two situations. Any arc also, that means you didn't get the complete circle. You got only some arc. You observe this arc. This is one arc of a conductor AB, and here current is flowing here is I. Current is flowing here is I. So some angle subtended at the center here. So what is the magnetic field induction? Magnetic, suppose let me take these names as P and Q, because I am writing magnetic field induction as B, right? So here B value I want here. So B, what is the direction of B at this point means? What is the current direction? Current direction is clockwise. Current direction is clockwise means here B is into the page. B is into the page. That means here the magnetic field is into the page here. Magnetic field is into the page at this point. Suppose any arc you take, any arc. Now this is an arc I am taking again, PQ, and current is flowing in anti-clockwise direction. Current is flowing in anti-clockwise direction. What's the magnetic field induction at the center? Direction of magnetic field at the center means anti-clockwise direction. So already I told current anti-clockwise. Here B will be outside. B will be outside here. B outside. So what are our conclusion? Yes, current in which direction? Clockwise. And here current is anti-clockwise. Current anti-clockwise. Then magnetic field is outside and current is clockwise. Magnetic field is into the page. So this is a simple way to understand. Simple way to understand about current and magnetic fields. So I hope you are clear how to handle the circular current carrying conductors when we have taken the magnetic field at the center. Magnetic field at the center, to find we have to see the current is clockwise or anti-clockwise. Simply current is flowing in a clockwise direction in that loop, then happily we can tell magnetic field is into. If the current is flowing in anti-clockwise, magnetic field is outside. This is the information. And one more additional information, that is whenever the current is flowing in clockwise, current is flowing in clockwise in a circular loop, then what will happen means the loop will behave as this loop will behave as south pole. The loop will behave as south pole. If suppose the current is flowing in anti-clockwise direction, current is flowing in anti-clockwise direction, then what will happen to the loop means the loop will behave as north pole. The loop will behave as north pole, because we are telling that whenever current is flowing in a wire, we are getting magnetic field. Current flowing in a wire, magnetic field is produced. Magnetic field is produced means we need a magnet. That magnet, what we can say, the face of the face what we are observing here, the face of the coil what we are observing, that is south pole. So here current is south pole, south, that is the magnet, is this loop will behave as south pole, as current is flowing in which direction? Clockwise. That means current flowing in clockwise, face of the coil will behave as south pole. Face of the coil will behave as south pole. And suppose current is flowing in anti-clockwise direction. Current is flowing in what direction beta now? Anti-clockwise. Like that it is flowing. You can observe like this is observing. So anti-clockwise direction means the face of the coil will behave as that is the face of the coil will behave as north pole. Face of the coil will behave as north pole. So two situations here. So current anti-clockwise, face of the coil will behave as north pole. Current clockwise, face of the coil will behave as south pole. So we are telling that the current carrying wire produces magnetic field. Why? Yes, magnetic field is produced. Magnetic field is produced means it need a magnetic nature. Magnetic nature means south pole and north poles will be present. So the pole what you are observing here, the face of the coil what you are observing here, that is south pole. If you go back here, go from back side and observe, you can observe north pole. Here the face of the coil what you are observing here, that is north pole, because current is anti-clockwise. In previous current is clockwise, face of the coil will behave as south pole, current is anti-clockwise, face of the coil will behave as north pole. For circular current carrying conductors, this is the basic information to be noted. I hope you are clear with this. Circular current carrying conductors and magnetic field connection, that is the magnetic field directions in different situations of circular current carrying conductors. Current clockwise, magnetic field into the page at center. Current anti-clockwise, magnetic field is outside at the center. And we told that is any loop, not only circle, complete circle, some arc of the circle, arc, this is small arc, here also you can observe the same phenomena at the centers. Any arc, that means it can be semicircle, it can be quadrant, anything, not only circle, for anything, the same phenomena, current clockwise, magnetic field inside, current anti-clockwise, magnetic field outside. Next we told finally, current is flowing in clockwise, face of the coil will behave as south pole. Current is flowing in anti-clockwise, face of the coil will behave as north pole. I hope you are clear with this circular current carrying conductors directions.